How do I get help with EBSCOhost? If you are wondering how to get help with EBSCOhost, you are in the right place. This online research database is widely used, and there are several ways to get assistance. First, you can explore the online tutorials and frequently asked questions. EBSCOhost provides a variety of step-by-step video tutorials that guide you through common tasks. These include searching for articles, saving records, and managing citations. This resource is especially helpful for beginners who want to understand the interface better. Next, consider using EBSCO Connect. This is a dedicated support portal where you can find detailed guides and troubleshooting tips. You can also join community forums to ask questions or search for answers to specific issues. This platform is designed to help you navigate any challenges you might face while using EBSCOhost. If you need direct assistance, you can contact EBSCO's customer support. They offer help via phone or email. There is a toll-free number for users in the United States and Canada, along with an international number for those outside these regions. Email support is also available for less urgent inquiries or more detailed questions. Another great option is to leverage your institution's library help desk. Many academic libraries subscribe to EBSCOhost and provide their own support services. Librarians are trained to assist you in navigating the database, refining search strategies, and accessing full-text articles. They may also offer workshops or one-on-one help sessions tailored to your research needs. To use EBSCOhost more efficiently, here are some practical tips. When you find a useful article, check its references or bibliography. This can lead you to additional relevant sources without starting a new search. Use the advanced search options to filter results by publication date, source type, or subject. This helps you narrow down your research quickly. Lastly, you can save important articles to cloud services like Google Drive directly from EBSCOhost for easy access later. By combining these resources and support options, you can tackle most challenges and improve your research experience with EBSCOhost. Whether you are a student or a professional, these tools can help you make the most of your study time.